Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys these gel liners I bought off of Amazon. They come in a set of 24 colors. Here I am just unboxing it. It came packaged really nicely, nothing was ruined. It also came with an instruction card. Here's the bottle. The bottles are very nice quality. They have like a little weight to it. Like it's not flimsy and light. Like I don't know. It just has a nice little weight. I don't know. And it comes with this thin little brush. So starting with the white color, I was planning on doing Frenchies to like show how nice the gel polish was. But quickly I decided not to do that. So I just did that for this one white nail. I did not like the white polish. Not good. This second color was pretty nice. Overall, I'm gonna just say now that I think this set was worth it. Look how pigmented. This is my favorite one. Look at that. So pretty. And yeah, I ended up swatching every single color so you can see every single color. Overall, I do think these gel polishes are worth it. I don't think I said the price yet. They were $29.99. After shipping, they were about $32. And I would recommend them. Yeah, they have some misses and you'll see that. But overall, all these colors are really gorgeous and I think you should pick it up. I've been laying on the rug, trying drugs for a month, yeah, hoping that they keep me up, yeah, yeah, I've been rolling in a club, yeah. This shade was definitely a miss, and I think from here on out, I start showing the bottle right next to the swatch, because on some of them, the color is off, like this one, I think, is it this one? This one's more like a hot pink, but the bottle makes it look a little darker. That's probably like the only con. But other than that, look at the pigment. So nice. From here on out, I'll just let you guys watch the swatches. I do have this linked in the description if you guys do want to pick it up after watching this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Trying drugs for a month, hoping it'll give me up, hoping it'll make a change. Yeah. No, this is not a bluff. Too late to make me change. I've been feeling like a castaway, sitting waiting on your page that you about to pull up to the cave. Then we practice 50 shades of gray, me and punching on the grain. Bloody knuckles, I've been sipping money. I'm so numb now to the run around. Are you sending me? Are you coming down? Cause I know soon I'll be coming down. I'll be coming down. I'll be coming down. Of the night, I've been rolling, I've been feeling so nice. I've been got it, been this so might. Why watch you wind it so tight? I've been running from my mental inside. I ain't getting, got me happy my ride. I just run up on the smashing the side. And the cons, I've been feeling my city, my native mind, I've been feeling so pretty. And the man, I've been on my nigga, you know. Who to blame? Who to trust? Who to love? I've been laying on the rug, trying drugs for a month, hoping it'll give me up, hoping it'll make a change. Trade the bus for a range, do that shit any day. They trade the game for they change. Not a villain for a shame. Yeah. Who to blame? Who to trust? Who to love? I've been laying on the rug, trying drugs for a month, yeah, hoping that they keep me up, yeah, been up, yeah, I've been rolling in a club, yeah, rolling in a club, yeah, rolling up, you call my bluff, yeah, shooting at me, yeah, shooter, stick you up, yeah.